Satan and the Virgin Mary, a perspective. The idea that Satan is afraid of the Virgin Mary is rooted in Catholic teachings and devotions to Mary. Mary is seen as a powerful intercessor and a model of faith and obedience to God. Her role in the Incarnation, being the mother of Jesus Christ, gives her a unique place in the history of salvation. In Catholic spirituality, Mary is often invoked for protection against evil. Prayers like the Rosary, which focuses on mysteries of Mary's life and her relationship with Jesus, are seen as powerful tools against spiritual attacks. The notion of Satan fearing Mary can be understood in the context of Mary's closeness to God and her role in bringing Jesus into the world. Mary's humility, faith, and obedience to God's will are seen as contrast to the pride and rebellion associated with Satan. This contrast highlights the power of humility and submission to God. Devotion to Mary is believed by many Catholics to lead to a deeper relationship with Jesus Christ, as Mary points to her Son and his teachings. The power of Mary's intercession is a theme in Catholic devotion. Catholics often ask for Mary's prayers and seek her intercession in times of need, believing that she brings their petitions to Jesus. This intercessory role is seen as part of her motherly care for believers. In summary, the perspective that Satan is afraid of the Virgin Mary reflects the high regard in which Mary is held in Catholic tradition, particularly regarding her role in salvation history and her intercessory power. Amen. Please like, subscribe, and share.